As Taliban has intensified attacks on security forces and civilians and are making advances in the cities, former Afghan Vice President and infamous warlord Abdul Rashid Dostum has returned to Afghanistan, terming the current crisis gripping the country as a major conspiracy. He has urged Afghan political leaders to sideline their personal interests and unite for the defense of the country.
Former Vice President and infamous warlord Abdul Rashid Dostum, who has returned to Afghanistan, called on Afghan political leaders to sideline their personal interests and unite for the defense of the country on Thursday. Dostum termed that the current crisis gripping the country as a major conspiracy and that political leaders of the country will thwart all of the conspiracies of the enemies. Taliban has intensified attacks on security forces and civilians as they are making advances in the cities. Several cities in Afghanistan, including Lashkargah, Kandahar and Herat city, are witnessing intense fighting. Dostum said that the Afghan people will not allow the Taliban to take over a province. Meanwhile, reports have surfaced that Taliban militants have switched strategy from targeting rural areas of Afghanistan to attacking provincial cities in response to increased US airstrikes after the United States said it was ending its longest war. The group has been waging a massive nationwide offensive since April, when US President Joe Biden announced troops would withdraw by September, and as officials warned, peace talks in Doha were failing to make substantive progress. As the security situation in Afghanistan continued to deteriorate, Russia, Uzbekistan and Tajikistan started on Thursday trilateral military exercises in the Khatlon region of Tajikistan near the Afghan border. Russia is also carrying out drills in Uzbekistan, another former Soviet republic bordering Afghanistan, this week. For the Uzbek exercise, Moscow said on Thursday it would even deploy 4 strategic bombers. Moscow fears that deteriorating situation in Afghanistan could destabilize its southern defensive flank and push refugees into its Central Asian backyard.